Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 3, subject maths, chapter number 4, multiplication. And this is 7th session on this chapter. Today, let us discuss the solutions for the problems in exercise 4D of your textbook. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. So in these fill in the blanks type questions, we see there are multiplication by hundreds, thousands, tens, and multiples of tens and hundreds. You can see here. And we have learned multiplication by tens, hundreds, and thousands in the previous session. Let us recall our understanding and solve these questions in this exercise. Come on, let's begin. Here in first question, A, we have 2 into 100. We have learned that when there are zeros towards the right of a number which is multiplied by a number or being multiplied by another number, what we can do is we can just multiply the non-zero digits and we write the zeros to the right of the answer we get after multiplying non-zero digits. ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ zeros ಅಲ್ಲದೇ ಇರೋ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. In this case what we do, we multiply 2 and 1, that is 1 2 is 2. ಮೊದಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ and then we see how many zeros are there in these numbers. So here we have 2 zeros, so we just write 2 zeros to the right of 2 and we get 200 as the product. Therefore 2 into 100 is equal to 200. Coming to B, here we have 7 into 90. So first we multiply 9 and 7. So on multiplying 9 and 7, what do we get? 9 sevens are 63. So we write 63 here. 63 ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ we look at the number of zeros in these numbers. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಮೊದಲನೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ zeros ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು zero ಇದೆ. So we should write 1 0 towards right of this number we have written in the answer. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 0 ನಂಬರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. That is 7 into 90 is equal to 630 is the answer. Or this is also called as product. 630 is the product and 7 and 90 are called the factors of 630. Coming to C, we have 60 into 8. We multiply 8 and 6. 8 6 are 48. We write 48 here and then we put a 0 because we have 1 0 here in the first number, that is in 60. So now 60 into 8 is equal to 480. Coming to question D, we have 5 into 500. Let's multiply 5 and 5 first. 5 5s are 25. Let's write 25 here just beside the is equal to sign. 25 ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 zeros are there, so we write 2 zeros just beside 25. 0 0. Therefore the answer we get is 2500. That is when 5 is multiplied by 500 or 500 is multiplied by 5, we get 2500 as the product. Coming to E, 40 into 5. Let's multiply 5 and 4 first. So 5 4s are 20. We write 20. And we look for the number of zeros in these numbers which are being multiplied. So in the first number we have 1 0. Second number is not having any zeros here. So we write 1 0 in the answer towards right of this answer. Now this becomes 200. That is 40 into 5 gives 200. Or we may say product of 40 and 5 is 200. Coming to F, 9 into 400. Let's multiply 4 and 9 first. And 4 9s are 36. We write 36 here. And just beside 36, we put 2 zeros because we have 2 zeros in the number 400 here. First what we did, we multiplied just 4 and 9. We didn't consider these zeros while multiplying. So after multiplying these two numbers, we got 36. We added in 36. And to the right of this answer, we have written these 2 zeros. So this gives now the product of 9 and 400. Therefore, the product of 9 and 400 is 3600. Coming to G, we have 8 into 800. What is 8 into 8? 8 8s are 64, isn't it? So let's write 64 first. And then we write 2 zeros because we have 2 zeros in the number 800 here. So 800 into 8 is equal to 6400. Coming to H, 200 into 6. So we multiply 6 and 2. 6 2s are 12. Let's write 12 here. And after that, we see here there are 2 zeros. Let's include those to the right of this 0 0. Therefore, 1200 is the product of 206. I, 5 into 1000. 5 into 1000 is 5000. Isn't it? Because 5 into 1 is 5 and we have 3 more zeros to the right of this number. So if you include that, it becomes 5000. So 5 into 1000 is 5000. So let's write 5000 here. 0 0 0. 5000 is the product of 5 and 1000. Coming to J, 50 into 60. So we have zeros in both of these numbers. So far in the earlier questions we had zeros in any one of the given two numbers to be multiplied. So in this question now we have zeros in both the numbers. So in such case what we do is first we multiply the non-zero digits. Andre 0 alzero digit multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. That is 5 6 30. So I will write 30 here. And after that we should look for the zeros in these numbers. We have 1 0 here in the first number and another 0 in the second number. Together there are 2 zeros. So we have to write 2 zeros in the answer or in the product. 2 zeros. Remember this. And there are zeros in both the numbers that we are multiplying. After multiplying the non-zero digits, we should write the number of zeros to the right of the answer, which should be the total of zeros in both the numbers. ಎರಡೂ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಝೀರೋಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಝೀರೋಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಆನ್ಸರು, ಅದರ ಬಲಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಎರಡೂ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಝೀರೋಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್. 6 into 5 is 30 and we count the number of zeros in both the numbers. We have 1 0 here and 1 0 here. So there are 2 zeros together in these two numbers. So we will write 2 zeros after this answer, that is 30. Therefore 3000 is the product of 50 and 60. Coming to K, here we have 9 into 1000. 9 into 1000 is 9000. How did we get this? We multiply 1 and 9. 1 9s are 9 and we have 3 zeros here, so we have written 3 zeros here. Therefore 9 into 1000 is equal to 9000. L, we have 400 into 10. Here we see there are zeros in both of these numbers. ಮೊದಲನೇ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲೂ zeros ಇದೆ, ಎರಡನೇ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲೂ zeros ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, zeros ಇದೆ. So how we solve this, or how do we find the product? Yes, first we multiply the non-zero digits, that is 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is 4. And we now look for the number of zeros in these numbers. In the first number we have 2 zeros and in the second number we have only 1 zero. Together it becomes 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So we have to write 3 zeros to the right of 4. 1, 2, 3. So we get 4,000 on multiplying 410. That is 400 into 10 is equal to 4,000. So this is how we should find the product of the numbers when there are zeros in the numbers we multiply. Now let us move to the next question of this exercise. The next question is application based question, that is question number 2. Find the products given in column A, then fill in the blanks in column B. So here we have two columns, column A and column B. The spelling is COLUMN. It should not be read as column. N should be silent. So we should just read it as column. So column A and column B. So in these two columns we are given some numbers to be multiplied. So what we should do is we should find the products given in column A. We should find the product, that is we should find 9 into 3 here. We will write the answer here. And if you look at the numbers given in column B, with the same non-zero digits, some zeros are included. Here we have 9 into 3, but here we have 90 into 30. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಝೀರೋಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 into 3 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ again we need not to find product here. Just looking at the product answer here and we can write the direct answer directly by looking at the answer here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ 1 or 2 you will understand it more clearly. Let us do that now. A 9 into 3. So we have to multiply these two digits now. So 3 9s are 27. So let me write 27 in the box given here. Yes, this is how we should find a product in column A, and we should fill in the blanks in column B. So how we fill in the blanks? When we observe these numbers given, here we have 90 into 30. So just let us first consider 9 into 3. 9 into 3 is 27. So we will write 27 here, and then we look at the zeros in these numbers. In the first number we have one zero, in the second number we have another zero. Together there are two zeros. So we should write two zeros to the right of this answer now. That is 0 0. Therefore the product of 90 and 30 is 2700. Product of 9 and 3 is 27, whereas the product of 90 and 30 will be 2700. So to find this, what we did, just we had referred this answer and we had written the number of zeros just looking at the numbers given in column B. So now let's solve similarly the other questions also. Coming to B, here we have 65 into 4. Let's multiply this. Let's find the product of 65 and 4. So I start multiplying from to the from 4 with the digit at ones place. So 4 5s are 20. So I write 0 here, and then 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2. Since we multiplied 4 5s are 4 5s are 20, and there is a 2 carry here, and when we multiply 4 and 6, 4 6 are 26, and we should include that carry 2. So 24 plus 2 is 26. Therefore the product of 65 and 4 is 260. So if you can't directly multiply here, so you can write these numbers in the rough workspace in your notebook like this, and you may multiply 65 into 4. 4 5s are 20. So 20 is regrouped as 2 tens and 0 ones. So 2 is carried forward to the tens place, and now we multiply the digit at tens place by 4. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Therefore on multiplying 65 by 4, you get 260 as product. So we had written 260 in the box provided here in column A. Now we have to fill in the blanks in column B. So here what we have 65 into 40. In the column A we had 65 into 4. In column B we have 65 into 40. So there is 1 0 with the second number here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 65 into 40 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 65 and 4, ಈಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು 0 ಅನ್ನ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ನೌ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ which is obtained for 4 and 65, that is 260. So after writing 260, we write one more 0 to the right of this answer. So we get 2600. Therefore, the product of 65 and 40 is 2600. Just to observe both the products in column A and column B. When we multiplied 65 by 4, we obtained 260 as a product, and when we multiplied 65 by 40, the product is 2600. The only change is there is one zero extra in this product. So how we get this? Since we have one zero in the factors or the numbers being multiplied, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ one zero ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ in ones place. So we get 1 0 more in this product compared to this product. Now let us come to the next question. See, 28 into 8. Let's write down here in rough workspace and find the product. 28 into 8. 8 8s are 64. So 64 ones are regrouped as 6 tens and 4 ones. So we write 4 in ones place and 6 tens are carried forward to the tens place. Now we multiply the digit at tens place by 8. So 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 is 16 plus 6 is 22. We write 22 here. Therefore, 224 is the product of 28 and 8. Let us write this answer in the box given here. That is 224. In column B, we have 28 into 80. So now we will write down this product, that is 224. Here also 224, and when we look at the number of zeros, we have 1 0 with 8 here. Let us write that 0 to the right of this answer. Now the product becomes 2240. Therefore, the product of 28 and 80 is 2240. Coming to D, we have 63 into 5. Let us multiply these two numbers to obtain the product. Let us write down these numbers here. 63 into 5. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 ones are regrouped as 1 10 and 5 ones. Now we multiply 6 by 5. So 5 6s are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Therefore 315 is the product of 63 and 5. Let us write that in the box given here. 315. So now let us fill this blank. So what we do, we will write 315, and looking at these numbers, we have 1 0 here, so we write 1 0. Therefore, the product of 63 and 50 is 3150. E, 15 into 1. What is 15 into 1? Yes, it is 15. 15 ones are 15. So here we will fill this blank by writing 15 and 2 zeros. Why we write 2 zeros here? Because we have 2 zeros in this number, that is 100. Here we had 15 into 1, but in column B we have 15 into 100. So to get the product of this, when we know 15 into 1 is 15, just we write 15 here and we write 2 more zeros to the right of this answer, which becomes 1500. That is 15 into 100 is 1500. So this is how we should find the products when there are tens, hundreds, thousands, or multiples of tens, hundreds, or thousands are there in the numbers which we are multiplying. I hope you understood all these problems we discussed today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.